Row 7. Yeah, row 7.
They weren't.
Almost red and stiffy.
Yeah, it is.
Of the new Empire. That's what
And
I think it's there.
yeah, that's. I just want to see.
I knew what I ran over too.
Okay, good.
It has to be.
This is the most crowded. I mean, I got like enough.
If we do have any, it'll be there. We might have like. No problem.
Actually, the bus will have like. Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I don't know how that went. I'm kind of curious how everybody went.
I'm like, that's such. That's
Wear that. Like, he was wearing a baseball cap. He was like 2 Canadian flags.